Okay, hello, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the scale 8. This is a bracelet that I made up, and so let's get started. Okay, so you're going to start by making your border, which is going to be a yellow for me. I'm using yellow, so you start by taking one from the middle to the side pin, and then you do them going all the way up. So you can pause it now. And so you're going to stop at this peg right here. Pause it back again. Okay, so then you're going to take this and do the same way as you did on the bottom, but up to the middle peg. Okay, so now you're going to do the same thing you did on this side, and you just keep doing it all the way up. Okay, so then you do your very last button right there. Okay, so, I forgot to tell you that you're going to start with your arrows, your arrows are pointing toward you, so this is my arrow, it's pointing towards me. So, I'm using the Wonder Loom, which is different from the Fun Loom and the Rainbow Loom, but you can do this on any loom. Okay, so now you're going to do the part in the middle, which you can do this whatever color you want. I'm doing mine black. And just do it all the way up. And yeah, just put it all the way up. Okay, so this is what mine looks like. Okay, so now you're going to make the figure 8 part. So, for the figure 8, you take 2 rubber bands of whatever color, which, look at my pile of rubber bands over here. I'm just digging through here, fine. So I'm going to do pink, and so you take 2 and you twist them to make a figure 8, and you put it from the very bottom peg to the second middle peg. Okay, so, and then you can use whatever color you want, and then you do it again. So now I'm going to use purple, and I twist it, put it from this one to this one. So you're going to put it from the second peg in the middle to the third peg in the middle. And you just repeat this pattern going all the way up. Actually, I'm going to probably do pink, purple, and then yellow. Okay, so I'll show you one more time what you're supposed to do. You take 2, put it up here. Oops, that was loud. You put it from this one to this one. Okay, so that's how mine starts off looking. Okay, so you just keep making the pattern all the way up. Okay, so now I'm doing my last ones on these 3 last pegs, and so this is going to go from here to here. Okay, so now you're going to put another, first you're going to need to push these down. So push them all the way down, and then you're going to make the part that connects this and this together. So you use whatever color you want, and I have no idea what, I'm probably going to do the same pattern as I did right here, and you make a triangle. For you it's an upside down triangle, but then you make a triangle. Okay, I'm going to do this where you can see the triangle like that. I'm going to do the pattern that I used right here and just do it going all the way up and stop. Do not put any right there. Do not put one right there. Okay, so you just keep doing this all the way up, and do not use 2 bands when you do this. Only use 1. This is a really easy rubber band bracelet, other than the taking it off is the hardest part, because you have to take it off from the cap, which we haven't put on yet, but you will in a little bit. And like I said, you just repeat the pattern, going all the way up. Okay, so actually you will put one on this part right here. Okay, so this is how mine is going to look right now. Now you're going to take whatever color you want, and you're going to put the cap on this end over here. And this is what is going to make it stay on better. The cap is what will keep it together. So you twist it twice and put it right on the top. And then also put a cap on the other end, which most of the time you wouldn't do, but for this one you will. So just put a cap on that end. Okay, so now mine is already turned around, so you're going to take it like this, and you take this, and you pull the very bottom one, the black one, on the very bottom, the one that you did from the middle, and you pull it from here to here. And then, from over here, you do it, you pull this from here to here, and over here, from here to here. Okay, so this is how it's looking right now. And so you're just going to copy these steps going all the way down. Never pull your figure 8 over. Your figure 8 will form itself when you take the bracelet off. And so you just keep doing this all the way down. Okay, so for the last one, you're going to pull it over the top of your cap. And you may not think your cap is going to be useful, but it will be. And so I'm going to just keep pulling these over to the top, to this one. Do not, the little triangles that you made is the part that keeps the middle and the two sides together. And so keep doing it all the way to the very end. And then once you get it right here, you're going to stop right here, and you're going to take this. Wait, hold on. Actually, you will not need your cap right now. You'll put your cap on. That'll be the very last thing you do. Okay, so that goes back on there. But you do not need your cap. So then you pull this right here over to the middle, and the very bottom one over to the middle. Now you will need your cap. So, you put your cap on, of course. So, this is how yours is going to look for all the pulling off and things like that happen. Okay? So, now you're going to take your hook and you're going to stick it all the way through all these bands on this end. And you're going to pull a rubber band through it. Okay? And then you do like this. And then you're going to stick this over this and pull it. Put it in the middle like that. And this is going to keep this in tight. Okay? So now, on this end, you're going to do the same thing, except you're not going to tie. Or you can. Actually, I think I am going to do that. That way it will be easier to pull it off of the loom. So this is the very hard part, getting it through here. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing as I did on the other end. Pull this off the loom, pull it, and it tightens it. Okay, so now for the revealing. Okay, so this is the revealing of it. This is how it looks. So this is the figure 8, well, no, not the figure 8. This is the scale 8. This is how it looks. That's the front, and that's the back. You can flip it over. That can be the front, and that can be the front, that can be the back, that can be the back. It doesn't really matter. And so now I'm going to show you, which of course you probably already know, how to make the part which makes it longer so it will fit on your wrist, because that's not going to fit in the wrist. So you sit it in the side one. You sit your bands on the side one, and then actually first you're going to make your row of whatever color you're going to use. Going right there. Just whatever colors you're using. Make it go up this chain. Whoops. Well, there went my yellow. Make it go up this chain. Well, I think I'm going to use this part. Making it go up there, but I'm just going to do this for right now. Go ahead and put it on there. Oops. Turn it to the side that I want to use. Okay, and then I'm just going to pull this over, pull it over, pull it, wait, don't pull that one yet because I didn't finish the row. And you can just make this as long as you would like. I'm probably going to stop about right here. And then you can do it from the other side too. Okay, so just keep on doing this all the way to the end, which probably won't take long. So take that all the way to the very end. Okay? And then you're going to take your S or C clip. I have an S clip right here. And I'm going to just pop this off right here. That did not work, did it? Ah! That came out of there. Let's fix this real quick. Thought something happened. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take, I don't know why it's doing that. Okay, so here's a different way since that is not working out for me. Okay, so you're going to take your colors and you put your bracelets, your rubber bands through your fingers, and you just pull it through, pull it together, and pull your colors all the way through it. And this is going to make the chain for the bracelet to make it fit around your wrist. So I'm going to do this right here. Actually, I'm going to pull this out and just make it this long. If you want, you can just keep going and make this and hook it on this end over here. But I'm going to make it from both ends. And I'll show you how to do that right now. Okay, so you're going to take this and put your S clip on it. Right there. S or C clip. I'm using an S clip. And then you're going to take this end and do the same thing as you did with the other end. And you will have two bands extra like that. And so you just take it, pull it through, just like you did on the other side, but over here. And then you hook it in the other side of the S clip. And that is how it works. And there's your finished bracelet. Here it is without all my other ones on it. This is how it can turn out. It can be this side like this, or it can be this side like this. So that is the scale 8 bracelet. It's pretty easy. Leave a comment below, please subscribe, and tell me what other bracelets you would like me to do a tutorial on. And that's it. Thanks. Bye.